In 2026, the timeless charm of classic children's stories is inspiring baby shower decor everywhere. A Peter Rabbit storybook vintage theme blends garden elegance, soft pastels, and nostalgic illustrations to create a celebration that feels magical, warm, and beautifully memorable.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the Peter Rabbit theme trending for baby showers in 2026? Peter Rabbit combines nostalgic storytelling with soft garden-inspired visuals that feel calm and welcoming. In 2026, parents are embracing themes that feel timeless rather than overly modern or flashy. Love storybook nostalgia? Like this if vintage charm wins. What table decor fits a Peter Rabbit baby shower? Linen runners, small garden flowers, and illustrated table cards create a charming setup. Keeping centerpieces simple maintains the light, vintage aesthetic. Table ready? Like this if garden elegance excites you. What party favors match the Peter Rabbit theme? Seed packets, mini potted plants, or bookmark favors work beautifully. These small gifts connect naturally with the garden storybook concept. Favors chosen? Like this if thoughtful gifts matter. What makes a Peter Rabbit baby shower truly special? The blend of storytelling, garden beauty, and nostalgic decor creates a magical atmosphere guests of all ages will remember. Feeling the charm? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What dessert table ideas work for this theme? Serve cupcakes with bunny toppers, carrot-themed treats, and pastel desserts. Wooden trays and neutral stands keep the display rustic and cohesive. Dessert table ready? Like this if sweet details win. What colors work best for a vintage Peter Rabbit theme? Soft blue, sage green, cream, dusty peach, and pale beige reflect the original storybook. Illustrations. These gentle colors create a peaceful atmosphere perfect for celebrating a new baby. Palette chosen? Like this, if soft tones feel perfect. Can books be used as decorations? Yes. Stack vintage storybooks on tables or dessert displays. Books reinforce the storybook theme while adding texture and nostalgic character. Books displayed? Like this, if story details matter. How can I create a storybook welcome area? Use a wooden welcome sign with a Peter Rabbit illustration surrounded by potted greenery and soft balloon accents. This creates an inviting entrance that introduces the theme instantly. Entrance styled? Like this, if first impressions matter. How can I make this theme feel modern in 2026? Use clean layouts, muted color palettes, and minimal decorations. Modern styling keeps the vintage theme elegant and updated. Modern vintage approved? Like this, if balance wins. How do I add garden elements to the decor? Use potted herbs, wildflowers, or greenery baskets around the space. Natural elements. Reflect Peter Rabbit's countryside garden setting. Garden charm added. Like this, if nature inspires you. What activities fit a storybook baby shower? Guests can write messages for the baby inside a book, or decorate small flower pots. These activities feel meaningful while fitting the storybook theme. Activities planned? Like this, if memories matter. A Peter Rabbit Storybook Vintage Baby Shower in 2026 celebrates new beginnings with timeless charm. By blending soft garden decor, nostalgic books, and gentle colors, you create a celebration that feels warm, magical, and full of love. Loved these Peter Rabbit baby shower ideas? Like and come back for more 2026 celebration inspiration.